Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another POV review by CarChive. My name's Sachin, and today we're taking a look at the 2025 Mini Cooper S 5-door. Now, straight away from the front of the car, you can see the Mini has gone for a much cleaner design this year. The front end is simpler, more modern, but still keeps that classic Mini face. Now, looking at the headlights, you've got these round LED headlights with a new light signature, and they still give the car that instantly recognizable Mini look, even from a distance. Now, looking at the lower bumper grille, the bumper design is smoother and less busy than before, which actually makes the car look more premium, especially on the Cooper S. Now, moving to the side, from this side, this is where the 5-door really shows its advantage. You get a slightly longer wheelbase, proper rear doors, and much easier access to the back seats. Now, having a look at these wheels, these are the optioned 18-inch light alloys. These are sitting on Pirelli P7s, 215s on the front and 215s on the back. Now, another feature that the Cooper S comes with are 360 cameras. We can find the reverse camera right here, and if you take a look around the vehicle, we've got sensors all over. But the camera I want to point your attention to is this one. We've got cameras here, and we've got cameras under the side mirrors. Having a look under the hood, this is where we find the BMW sourced 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine. Now, this is a 4-cylinder, making around 150 kilowatts and 300 Newton meters of torque. The Mini Cooper S goes from 0 to 100 in just 6.5 seconds. But the Cooper S actually feels much faster than what the numbers suggest. Now, having a look on the interior, this is where the Cooper S, the 2025 model specifically, shines. So this Mini Cooper S actually lost its digital cluster and replaced it for this circular OLED panel. This is where everything in the car is controlled from. We see this constant material used throughout the doors and the dash in the Cooper S, and this is a 2D knitted textile made from recycled polyester. Having a look around the car, we can see the steering wheel is thicker than previous models, and I actually prefer it because you actually feel like you are connected with the car. You've got your speed limiter, your cruise control, your media controls, your horn, as well as a wireless phone charger. Now, looking at the car in itself, we can find our engine ignition here, we can find our drive mode select, and we can also find the experiences, which is another word that Mini Cooper uses for drive modes. This ranges from core to balance to eco-friendly and to go-kart, which is the sport mode. Now, looking at the car, we've got ample air vents surrounding the car, but we actually have this pattern all throughout the car. Now, these aren't just patterns on the doors or on the dashboard, but these are actually LEDs for ambient lighting. Ambient lighting that can be controlled through the OLED panel. Now, you've got your volume controls over here, we've got storage over here, we've got 2 cup holders over here. This is what the Mini key looks like. Your lock buttons over here, unlock, and you've got a boot button. Now, this car also comes with 2 Type-C ports and more storage over here. You've got comfortable sport leather Mini Cooper seats, as well as ample space for 2 adults in the back.
Now, the Mini Cooper S occupies a unique space in the small performance hatch segment. It's not the most powerful car necessarily, nor is it the biggest, but it always has been about driver engagement. Immediately, the Mini feels alert. The seating position is low and sporty, giving you a connected feeling to the road. Now, visibility is excellent for a car this size, and the steering is both quick and precise. It's compact enough to feel nimble in tight spaces, but the chassis never feels jittery or unpredictable. Under the bonnet is a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. It delivers strong mid-range torque, which is ideal for daily driving. You don't necessarily need to push the car to high revs to make progress, but it's ready if you want to. Acceleration is brisk without being extreme, and you feel the responsiveness instantly. Where the Mini really shows its character is on twisty roads. I mean, the steering is direct and precise. You can really place it exactly where you want it. Now, body control is excellent. The car stays flat, even in sharper corners, and you can sense the chassis working, but never in a way that feels harsh. For buyers who enjoy spirited driving, this car delivers engagement without being intimidating. Despite the sporty setup, the Mini is surprisingly usable for daily life. I mean, the cabin is ergonomic, visibility is good, and controls are intuitive. That said, rear seat space is limited, and the suspension can feel busy on very broken surfaces. It's something buyers should consider if backseat comfort or long-distance touring is a priority for you. Compared to larger hot hatches, you give up some space and a little comfort, but in return, you get a car that's more focused, playful, and engaging to drive. The 2025 Mini Cooper S works because it knows what it is. A small car, built for interaction but not isolation. Every input is meaningful, and every corner or throttle change tells a story about its chassis and engine. It doesn't try to be everything for everyone, but for the right buyer, this car is extremely satisfying. If you are in the market for a car that makes driving enjoyable again, is compact yet precise, and keeps you connected with the road, the Mini Cooper S is an excellent choice. But if comfort, space, or quiet refinement are top priorities for you, other options may be more suitable. This is what it's like behind the wheel of the 2025 Mini Cooper S. If you enjoyed this POV review, subscribe to CarChive, like for more driver-focused car content. All glory to Yahweh, and I'll see you in the next one.